Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is aka Roxxie. Oh my god, I haven't done a voice video in a long time. It's kind of weird, to be honest. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe down below, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at aka Roxxie. So this video is pretty much going to be things that you should know and tips that will help you if you are considering big chopping or transitioning, or you already big chopped and you're new to the whole thing and you want to know what's going on. I have big chopped twice, yes, and not really by choice. Okay, here are some of the things I personally recommend and worked for me. I use the scalp massager. Okay, the scalp massager, it vibrates, and it also, you massaging it, it has the teeth and it helps increase blood flow. Okay, this is one thing. I don't just massage my hair with my fingers because it just doesn't do, it's not enough. Okay, especially me, since I just recently big chopped and I just recently like cut my hair. My hair is very thick. It's very thick, so these teeth on the brush help penetrate to the scalp, and it helps like get the dirt out, and on top of that it helps increase blood flow, and it feels really good, to be honest. It really does. I always wanted to get one, and I was kind of like, is it really the hype? Like, for real, like, is it really the hype? And honestly, it is. I always use it when I, like, seriously, when I shampoo my hair, because I'm not trying to be like this for a long time. Like, I'm really not. You guys can definitely check this out. I have the links on the description box below where you guys can use, I believe I have a discount code underneath there. Definitely check it out because I feel like it is honestly an investment, okay? That's definitely one of the tips, okay? Secondly, one other thing that I recommend when it comes to hair growth is this boy right here. This boy is $9.99. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. And this stuff really makes your hair grow. I personally, I mix this with, I dump half of it out. I put like a quarter of Jamaican black castor oil in it. I also put jojoba oil in it. A little tiny bit of coconut oil, because me and coconut oil, we ain't mixing that well, but for the benefits, you know, put a tiny bit in it, not a lot. A little bit of olive oil, and there's this product. It's a Spanish product. It's called Tricóforo, and it's also a hair growth oil. That's also optional because I don't, that's not everywhere, but I'm just telling you that's what I put in it. But you don't have to have that in it. With just all those oils alone, and you putting it on your scalp every few days, or like, let's say twice a week, it really helps your hair grow. It really does. And when I use this, I like to use this at night, because during the day, especially if you have black Jamaican castor oil, I'm not trying to walk around smelling like that, to be honest. So I like to put it at night. So at night, it's kind of like, it kind of wears off the smell a little bit. And then I put my products during the day, and it kind of masks the smell. But also, when I put this on, I try to at least once a week do the inversion method, okay? The inversion method is when you are upside down, which what it does is it rushes the blood flow from your body all the way to your scalp, to your head, which is pretty much the same thing that the scalp massager does by massaging your scalp and raising the blood flow. So by having all that blood rushing to your scalp, that also helps increase hair growth. What a better thing to do it with. So they recommend you to do the inversion method for about 4 minutes. You don't have to do exactly 4 minutes, but I would do it at least like no less than a minute, because you want to actually give it time to, like, you know, get the blood going to your head and doing all the juices and whatnot. So I would put this on my head, massage it into your scalp, because when you put this on, you should massage your scalp. So I would either massage it with my hands, or I would use a scalp massager, just massage it really quick. Especially if I haven't like shampooed my hair for a while, I would use the scalp massager just so it can do a better job while I am upside down. Another thing I do strongly recommend is this bad boy. This is a satin pillowcase, okay? I like to sleep with a satin pillowcase. I bought this at Sally's, okay? By the way, I think it was like $10. It changed my life. When you sleep, in comparison to cotton pillows, it helps your skin out a lot, and with acne and irritation on the skin, that can cause pimples, or the cotton can absorb a lot of the oils or whatever, and it can irritate your skin. Satin pillowcase, you just be gliding. you be gliding, and it's, other than the fact that you glide, it's cold, so you feel nice and cozy while you're sleeping. It's also really beneficial, and it helps not break your hair, because you may not be cutting your hair, but if your hair is breaking, you're not gonna see any growth because it's constantly breaking, and that's the last thing we need. Another thing that I do, and this is the last one, sleeping with a silk bonnet. Yes, bonnet chronicles from Tammy. Nah. But bonnets, yes, call your boo on FaceTime with your bonnet on. It's that bonnet life, because bonnets help your hair. Bonnets help your skin. You know why it also helps your skin? Because since you have this over your hair, all the oils or all the stuff and juiciness that you have in your hair is contained in this bonnet. Therefore, when you're sleeping and gliding on this silk pillowcase, it's not gliding onto your skin, irritating your skin, and also putting some of the oils from your hair onto your skin, causing pimples, okay? It kind of helps contain everything in there, okay? Also, since it's also satin, it's not rough on your hair, so therefore it helps prevent breakage. And we all want that because we want long hair that we could just, oh gosh, I can't wait till I can just go like this again. For those who don't know, my hair was this long, okay? And I'm still wishing I can go back to that, but just give me 3 years. When I give 3 years, ooh. So these are the things that I learned and I picked up besides the bonnet, because I kind of already knew about the only things that I did differently this time, the second time I big chop, was the bonnet and the silk pillowcase and this, okay? The other two, which is the wild grow and the bonnet, I did that before and it worked, okay? So those are definitely the things that I recommend. I have big chop twice, so these are the things that worked for me, okay? You guys also have all the little tips that you guys want to share. I will be reading the comments because I want my hair to grow. I want it to be healthy, and I know everybody else wants to learn and find also little tips. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.